Oh, what's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy It Now. Today we have the Sony SRS-XB100. This speaker just came out not too long ago, and it's already blown up Amazon right now. It's like, I think it came out less than a month ago, and it's already at 14K reviews with like 4.5 stars or something like that. I put the link down below so you guys can go down there and click it, check out the color options, check out the price, which is 60 bucks right now. So the price tag you're gonna be looking at this is $60. Hopefully there's a sale going on or whatever. But like I said, the link down below so you guys can go check it out yourself. But let's get into the battery life and all that. I have a sound test later on in the video. If you guys want to skip to that, just hover over the track bar and you'll see the chapters. But let's get to the battery life first. All right, so when it comes to the battery life, you're gonna be looking at 16 hours. Well, that's what's promoted on their website. But what I always say, always take a good amount of hours off of that. No matter what, brand or speaker it is, because it's tested at low volumes, probably like 1-2 notches of volume. So I tested it out for, I want to say 6 hours on max volume the whole time. And then I just looked right now in the app and it said I still had 40% of battery left. So I'm thinking you could probably get, if that was 6 hours, you'd probably get to the 9-10 range of battery life, which is not bad at all. It's pretty darn good. So on max volume, that's where you're gonna be looking at. So at medium volume, you might be pushing in that 13 to 16 range at medium volume, which is also really good. So if you're gonna be playing this on max volume, which you're probably gonna need, we'll talk about that later in the video, you'll be almost getting like 10 hours out of this speaker, 9 to 10 hours. When it comes to the waterproofness, you're gonna be looking at IP67. That means it's dust and waterproof. You're not gonna have to worry about it. If it drops in the water, it can submerge in the pool, water, whatever you pull it out, it's going to be fine. If you're a person that's in the country, state, whatever, that rains all the time and you're always outdoors hiking or all that, this is going to be a perfect companion for you. It's going to just handle that rain and all that with no problem. The 6 in IP67 means it's dust proof. So if you're going to be taking it to the beach and you're going to have it on the blanket or whatever, you don't have to worry about none of that. The little particles getting in there. This speaker can handle that. So this is a really good outdoor speaker, and it's lightweight, and as you can see with the strap and everything, it's compact, it's ready to go, and the IP67 can handle the outdoors. So this is the perfect speaker if you want to go hiking and stuff, throw it on the bag. This is your one. But it is a nice small compact speaker, like I keep saying, because it really is really light. It's not going to take up room in the bag. If you're trying to throw this in your bag, it's not going to take up room and be all over the place, just blocking everything. And you can have the little strap on here. You can hang it from the back of your bag, or you can just, if you want to go on a walk and you just want to hang it from your arm because you don't want to hold your speaker or you don't have nothing else with you, hang it from your fanny pack, any of that. It's a really good speaker for anyone on the go with a hiking, walking, or even on a bike, hang it from the bike, all that. And yeah, we'll talk about more of the sound wise in a little bit, but let's talk about calling with this thing. All right, let's talk about calls on here. So calling, it was one of the main things that I seen on their website that they were promoting with this speaker. So I did a little call, called B, and then my little sister was like, it sounds really good. It sounds like you're talking on the phone, basically on speaker. That's the vibe that she was getting from the speaker. It sounded clear. She said I sounded clear, I sounded good. So B gave it the 2 thumbs up, call pass. So if you do want to use this for a little call, because I had it on my desk, and at basically the range I would have is speaker that I'm listening to from my, my desk behind me, and she was like, it sounds good, from the distance that you're at. So I will say, 2 thumbs up on calling if you want to use this for calls. If you want to ask about the app, because I mentioned it earlier, the only thing you could basically see in the app is the battery life. I didn't think it connected to the app at all because it says it has no app, access basically, but it just means like you can't change the EQ on here, you can't do other stuff with the app in there. The only thing you could do is basically see your battery life. So it's not really an app friendly speaker, so there's no point in really even getting the app or trying to connect the app to this for now. They might update that. All right, so let's get to the sound test, and I'll talk to you guys on the other end of my time with this speaker.
Simula pa lang sa larong ito, sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto, pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato, di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito, sabi na tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto, pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato, dapat puso ay bato.
All right, bud, so that was a little sound test. So let's get into my little time with the speaker and what I think of the sound. Now the sound is clean. It sounds really clean, it sounds clear. Now the problem that some people might have is the volume of the speaker. If you think you're gonna get crazy loud, look how small it is, man. you should already know what kind of volume that you're going to get out of this speaker. So I didn't expect a crazy amount of sound from this thing. It's more of a personal speaker, so it's not going to be super loud. It's just going to be loud enough to be in your radius, you know, and it got the job done. Now, I would say that I use it at work, and I'm in my work truck, and I have the windows down, of course, while I'm working. Now with this speaker, it was kind of drowned it out. So if you're gonna have it like in a work truck or something where something's kind of loud, the noise will probably drown this speaker out. So that's how low the volume is. But if you're just using it on a walk, on a hike, because when I was finally stopped in my areas where I do stuff, the speaker was fine. I hear it clearly. I know what's going on, and it sounded good. So it's more of a personal walking on a hike, you know, just on a bike, you know, coasting, you know, whatever. We're going on a nice little ride, or just, you know, having it at the beach, having it at the park with the kids or something. That is what this speaker is really going to be, you know, perfect for. So I do like what you're getting out of the speaker. Like I said, nice little size right here, not heavy. You don't have to lug it around, put it anywhere. You can just strap it onto anything, on a stroller, any of that, you know, and then you're just going to get a nice little volume that won't disturb other people, but it'll be nice enough for you to hear. When it came to listening to my podcast on here, heard the podcast clearly, no problem at all. The podcast sounded good. It wasn't like lower, because some podcasts sound lower than music. So some, you know, depending on who you're listening to, and all the different podcasts I was listening to, it was still giving off good volume for me. So this is definitely, like I said, it's definitely a personal, you know, this is your speaker for you, just, you know, walking, running, blah, 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 all the stuff I already said. This is where the speaker is going to shine the most for you. But like, everyone's loving it on Amazon, man. It's just, the numbers are crazy, and it just came out. So I think this is going to be a really top seller this year for Sony. This probably be one of their biggest portable speakers, honestly, because it's already killing it. All right, so that's the Sony SRS-XB100. Now, if you guys want to check it out yourself, like I said, it's going for $60 right now. Click the link down below, but always look out for deals, because Sony's really good at putting their portable speakers on sale and stuff. So just click the link down there, and I really do appreciate it. It does give me a little commission out of Amazon's pocket, not your pocket, when you guys do use that link. But also, if you guys want to check out some more of my videos, click that right here, hit the subscribe button. And my name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Hope you guys like this video. Everyone be safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.